What's up everybody, Matt here at Wunderlich America again, and today we're going to check out the front fender extender for the RT. Cleaning your bike after a rainy ride is always a hassle. Overspray past the short front fender on the RT will leave your headers, engine case, and radiator filthy and packed with road grime. I think we have an easy bolt-on option to sort this issue out for you. This is the front fender extender for the RT. A simple yet very effective upgrade made from thermoformed ABS plastic, designed to slip under the factory fender and held in place using a few screws and foam backing tape to ensure a solid fit. This product will be sure to keep that front overspray to a minimum and keep that radiator clean and rock damage to a minimum. You can pair this fender extender with numerous other protection parts from us here at Wunderlich. So be sure to hop on over to the website and enter your year and model into the bike finder and see what other great parts we have available for you. If you have any other questions, please feel free to give us a call at 828-489-3747 or shoot an email to info@wunderlichamerica.com. And if it's your first time here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to speed on all of our new videos when they hit the channel. Use this product and any of our many other Wunderlich products to help you complete your BMW. Thanks for watching and enjoy the ride.